Right now, at this very second, something 4 million times heavier than our sun is sitting at the center of the Milky Way. It has been there for billions of years. It has swallowed entire stars whole. And in 2022, for the very first time, scientists finally photographed it. Its name is Sagittarius A star, and what they found in that image changed everything we thought we knew about the center of our galaxy. This is not a theory. This is not speculation. This is what NASA confirmed and what mainstream news refused to properly explain. A black hole is not a hole. It is not empty space. It is the most extreme object the universe is capable of producing, a place where matter has been compressed so tightly that space itself tears apart. Sagittarius A star, we call it SGRA star, pronounced Sagittarius A star, sits exactly 26,000 light-years from Earth. That sounds far, but cosmically, it is our next-door neighbor. The closest supermassive black hole to our planet, hiding right at the heart of everything we call home. And here is the first thing that will break your brain. If you could somehow stand on the edge of SGRA star, at what scientists call the event horizon, time would stop. Not slow down, stop. 1 second for you would be billions of years for everyone on Earth. You would watch all of human civilization end before you took your next breath. For decades, astronomers at UCLA did something extraordinary. They pointed their telescopes at the center of our galaxy, and they waited. For 30 years, they tracked individual stars orbiting something invisible. Stars moving at 3% the speed of light, in tight, violent ellipses, around absolutely nothing they could see. And then in 2019, something strange happened. A star called S2 passed so close to SGRA star that its light changed color from blue to red in real time, proving beyond any doubt that Einstein's general relativity was correct at the most extreme scales in the universe. But here is what nobody talks about. Recently, scientists detected something they were not expecting. Stars near SGRA star are disappearing faster than they should be. Not falling in, disappearing, as if something is disrupting their orbits in ways our current physics cannot explain. Mindbreak number 2. Some of these stars are as large as our entire solar system, and they vanish completely in a matter of days. Here is what is genuinely terrifying. Sagittarius A star is classified as a quiet black hole, meaning it is currently in a low activity phase. It is not feeding aggressively. It is resting. But in 2019, it suddenly flared. In a single night, SGRA star became 75 times brighter than normal. Scientists called it unprecedented. They still do not fully understand why it happened. Mindbreak 3. When SGRA star is active, truly feeding, it releases jets of energy so powerful they could strip the atmosphere off every planet in a radius of thousands of light years. Earth sits 26,000 light years away, which means we are probably safe. But here is the fourth fact that will stay with you. In approximately 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. When that happens, our quiet, sleeping SGRA star and Andromeda's own supermassive black hole will spiral toward each other and eventually merge into something so massive, so violent, it will reshape the entire structure of what was once our home galaxy. The night sky our descendants see, if they exist, will be completely unrecognizable. 2 supermassive black holes, 1 collision, 1 new monster, and no way to stop it. We live in a galaxy that has a monster at its center, a monster that has been there since before Earth existed, a monster that flares without warning, swallows stars whole, and one day will wake up completely. And the most unsettling part of all this? We do not know what happens inside it. Not really. No signal, no light, no radio wave, no information of any kind has ever escaped the event horizon. Whatever is happening on the other side is completely hidden from us, forever. The universe is not a peaceful place. We just happen to exist in a quiet moment of it, for now. If that thought keeps you up at night, you are not alone. Drop a comment below. Does knowing SGRA star exists change how you see the night sky? I want to know what you think. And if you want to know what scientists believe exists on the other side of a black hole, that video is next. What if this icy world is hiding life beneath it? This is Europa, one of Jupiter's most mysterious moons. Its surface looks frozen and cracked, but those lines aren't random. Scientists believe they're caused by a massive ocean hidden beneath the ice. Now the James Webb Space Telescope has taken a closer look, detecting carbon-based molecules on its surface. That's huge, because where there is carbon, there's potential for life. These patterns may even show material rising up from the ocean below. So the real question is, what's swimming under Europa's ice? Follow for more mind-blowing space discoveries.